So this is part 284C3M1b7c8e13c9c6d3g. This is line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3g. Hydrogen phthalate H3O plus vapor formula 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. So this talks about potassium, hydrogen, phthalate, plus H3O, plus water, plus vapor, plus the formula for the long-distance communications device. It has alien technology from the WOW data, and it's a keyword research video. January 14, 2013, today's the 16th. The keywords are from this previous video of line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3g, Divalent, Binuclear, Copper Crystal Reference Formulas 5G Wow Seti. The previous video title was line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3f, Cupric, Copper, Pentahydrate Formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. So we're going to look at alternative energy in the analytical standards. That's the keyword in this video. And quotes and diagrams are from Wiki. So in chemistry, standards are used in analytical chemistry. Here, a primary standard is typically a reagent, which can be weighed easily and which is so pure that its weight is truly representative of the number of moles of substance contained. Features of a primary standard include high purity, stability, low reactivity, low hygroscopicity, high equivalent weight, non-toxicity, and ready and cheap availability. Notice the shape of the hexagon there, and then we've got the three-part here, and you got a three-part here. This is the same thing as that other shape that I saw. I forget what it was called. Keyword potassium, hydrogen, phthalate. So we have hydrogen again, another keyword that we had. So it looks like potassium hydrogen phthalate, often called simply KHP, is an acidic salt compound. So there we have our sodium compound again, and we had sodium in with the long distance communication vapor thing to create the vapor, right? So it forms a white powder, colorless crystals. There we have crystals again. A colorless solution and an ionic solid that is the monopotassium salt of phthalic acid. The hydrogen is slightly acidic, and it is often used as a primary standard for acid-base titrations. Because it is solid and air stable, making it easy to weigh accurately, it is not hygroscopic. It is also used as a primary standard for calibrating pH meters because, besides the properties just mentioned, its pH in solution is very stable. In water, KHP dissociates completely, giving the potassium cation K+, and hydrogen phthalate anion HP- or hypothalate-. As a weak acid, hydrogen phthalate reacts reversibly with water to give hydronium H3O+ and phthalate ions. So it gives you those two ions when you add water to it. KHP can be used as a buffering agent in combination with hydrochloric acid, HCl, or sodium hydroxide, NaOH, depending on which side of pH 4.0 that a buffer is to be, but should not be used as a buffer for decarboxylation reactions, as these will degrade the KHP and mop up the conjugation groups. KHP is also a useful standard for total organic carbon testing. Most TOC analyzers are based on the oxidation of organics to carbon dioxide and water, with subsequent quantitation of the carbon dioxide. Many TOC analyzers suggest testing their instruments with two standards, one typically easy for the instrument to oxidize KHP, and one more difficult to oxidize. For the latter, benzoquinone is suggested. My thoughts. The water vapor long distance deep space communication device from the WOW data. Mix your vapor with the KHP potassium hydrogen phthalate, white powder, colorless crystals, grow, it reacts, add your water and your hydronium H3O phthalate ions. So I'm going to Google the keyword oxonium in the next video. Thanks for watching.